Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I have the EOS Tough T84 and 30, so it's 30 millimeters. Well, let's get in a vise. I haven't picked it yet. I do have a key. It does work. We have one, two, looks like 3 pins, maybe 4. I have to check. I have to check. All right. So let me check again. It's 1, 2, 3. 3 pins. So let's try to do this a little quicker, so we can count it as a speed pick. It's not very tough. It's good enough for a speed pick. Well, 3 pins, all brass with like a sleeve, a rubber sleeve, probably for protection. 3 pins only. Here's the key. That was the EOS Tough T84-30. Quick pick, nothing special. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.